Is it true Shaytaan can possess someone if they don't cover their mouth when they yawn?
He could possess the shaitan. I mean, it's not every time that you open your mouth for yawning that the shaitan is going to possess you. But that is one of the proofs to say that there is possession. Because some people, unfortunately, like the Mu'tazila, they don't believe in possession. No way that the person being possessed, the jinn goes into him. They don't believe that in Mu'tazila. So the possession, Ikhwani, one of the proofs of that this is فَإِنَّ الشَّيْطَانَ يَدْخُلُ. Where is he going to enter? He's opened the mouth. Where is he going to enter? In his ears? He's going to enter in the mouth because it's open. So when he enters in the mouth, he's going to be what? Doing what? He's going to be in chaos. So he's going to go inside. He's going to go into your veins. Because the Prophet said, إِنَّ الشَّيْطَانَ يَجْرِي مِنْ ابْنِ آدَمَ مَجْرَى الدَّمِ فِي الْعُرُوقِ. Shaitan runs into the human being just like the blood runs into the vein. So he's going into the vein of yours. And he goes there. He's got the ability to change himself into something that he go inside and cause devastation.